Dear students, I hope everyone is well. Welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of Standard 9, Chapter 6. Today's topic is blood vessels. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about artery, vein and capillaries, blood pressure, causes, symptoms and diagnosis of hypertension. Blood vessels. You know, there are three main parts are there in our blood circulatory system. Number 1 blood, number 2 heart and number 3 blood vessels. We have completed our discussion on blood and heart. Today we have to discuss about blood vessels. Now, what is blood vessels? The channels through which flow of blood occurs are called blood vessels. We may say easily, the vessels through which blood is moved into our body. The vessels through which blood is moved into our body is called blood vessels. Types of blood vessels: number 1 artery, number 2 vein, number 3 capillary. Artery. There is a picture of artery. What is artery? The blood vessels through which oxygenated blood or oxygen enriched blood moves from heart to different organ is called artery. I am saying again, the blood vessels through which oxygenated blood moves from heart to different organ is called artery. Characteristics of artery: origin and ending. Artery is originated from heart, end on organ. Direction of blood flow: heart to different organ. Wall of artery or wall of vessels. Follow here. Wall of artery thick comparatively than the other blood vessels like vein or capillary. Lumen means hollow space into the artery or blood vessels. This is the hollow space. This hollow space is called lumen. Lumen is narrow comparatively vein. Bulb is absent here. Location: just beneath the skin into our body. Just beneath the skin into our body. Wall of artery formed by 3 layers. Outer layer is called tunica externa, middle layer is called tunica media and inner layer is called tunica interna or tunica intima. Vein. What is vein? The blood vessels which carry carbon dioxide enriched blood from different organ to heart is called vein. I am saying again, the blood vessels which carry carbon dioxide enriched blood or deoxygenated blood from different organ to heart is called vein. Characteristics of vein: origin and ending. It is originated from different organ, end on heart. A direction of blood flow, same, different organ to heart. Wall of vessels or wall of vein. Wall of vein is thin, comparatively artery. Lumen. Lumen is wide here, comparatively artery. Lumen is wide. Why? Because wall of vessel is thick. Wall of vessel is thick. That's why lumen is wide here. Bulb. Follow the picture. This is bulb which is located into the lumen. Bulb is present in vein. Location. Comparatively deep than the artery into our muscle. Capillary. What is capillary? Capillary is the thinnest blood vessels into our body. The hair-like small delicate blood vessels which is present in different organ is called capillary. I am saying again, the hair-like small delicate blood vessels which are located into our organ is called capillary. Characteristics of capillary: origin and ending. Follow the picture. This is capillary network which is formed by capillary, originated from artery, break down into organ and again end on vein. That means originated from artery, end on vein. A direction of blood flow, same, artery to vein. Wall of vessels, of course, thin, not only thin, thinnest. Lumen is also narrow. Bulb is absent here. Location, into the organ. There is a table on your book. You have to fill up it by pencil on the basis of lecture. Blood pressure. What is blood pressure? The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries is called blood pressure. The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries is called blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure? You know, our heart is pumping always. That means it contract and relax. The heart, when is contracted, the pressure against the wall of arteries is called systolic blood pressure. I am saying again, the pressure of blood against the wall of arteries during the contracted state of heart is called blood pressure. Normal range of systolic blood pressure 100 to 150 mm or millimeter. Diastolic blood pressure. The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries when heart is relaxed is called diastolic blood pressure. I am saying again, the pressure of blood against the wall of arteries when heart is relaxed is called diastolic blood pressure. Normal range of diastolic blood pressure is 65 to 90 millimeter. Ideal blood pressure. in adult age, 120/80 is called ideal blood pressure. Why it is written 120/80? Because 120 is systolic blood pressure and 80 is diastolic blood pressure. When we measure the blood pressure, we have to measure two at a time, diastolic and systolic. That means 120/80 if the systolic blood pressure 120 and diastolic blood pressure 80, this is the ideal blood pressure. High blood pressure above the 150/90 is called high blood pressure. Hypertension. What is hypertension? When the blood pressure rises above the normal range is considered as high blood pressure. When the blood pressure rises above the normal range, what is the normal range? You know, diastolic up to 150, sorry, systolic up to 150, diastolic up to 90. Above 150/90 is called hypertension or high blood pressure. Symptoms and sign of hypertension. Number 1, headache. Number 2, vertigo. Vertigo means in Bengali মাথা ঘোরানো বা মাথা ঘোরা. Number 3, shoulder pain. Number 4, palpitation, which is called in Bengali বুক ধরফর করা. Number 5, sometimes bleeding from nose. Number 6, insomnia, that means sleeplessness or in Bengali nidrahinota. Diagnosis. How we can diagnose the hypertension? Blood pressure can be examined with the help of sphygmomanometer. Analog sphygmomanometer and digital sphygmomanometer. Causes of hypertension. Number 1, tension. Excessive tension is one of the main cause of hypertension or main cause of high blood pressure. Body weight. We have to control our body in perfect weight. If we be fatty or if we suffering from obesity, we may suffer by hypertension. Number 3, taking excessive salt, cholesterol, enriched food and fatty diet. These are the one of the main causes of hypertension. Smoking, drinking alcohol. Parents have got this disease. These are the causes of hypertension. Homework. Make the differences between artery and vein. You have to submit the homework within 2 days in my inbox, not in group page. Mind it, you have to submit your homework in my inbox. Stay at home. Thank you.